Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Francesca2391 and I am coming back to you all with a nighttime routine slash final hair review for my raw Indian natural wave hair that I do sell on my website. The company is Simply Whipped Hair, and I have installed two 22s and a 24-inch bundle plus a 16-inch closure that is not it's not a raw Indian closure. It is actually just one of our basic we call it the B wave closure, and it's just a body wave closure that actually went really well with the texture of the hair as well as the curl pattern. So if I wouldn't have told you, you probably wouldn't even knew that they were two different textures of hair. So this is the natural state of the hair here. I washed this hair on Friday or Saturday. No, it was Friday. So I washed the hair on Friday. Today is Monday, and this is kind of what the hair looks like. As you can see, it has some really nice like waves to it. Probably see it a little better on this side, but so this is what the hair looks like now. Tell you something, I have curled this hair, I have straightened this hair, and the curls still bounce back. Like, who here does that? Do your hair do that? Because mine do. Okay, so as you can see, even in the closure, the waves still bounce back. Like I said, curled it, straightened it, and washed it on Friday, and this is what it looks like after being washed and nothing has been done to it. I let it air dry. I did not blow dry it, and yeah, so this, this hair is wonderful, y'all. Definitely, if you've never, this is my first time wearing raw hair, so if you've never worn raw hair before, I do suggest that you give it a try, but do your research prior to purchasing, so you know kind of what's out there or whatever. So with this hair, it is, everyone, it was some mixed reviews on raw hair being more high maintenance. I can honestly say that I don't think, well, for this hair anyway, I don't think that that's true. I probably did less to this hair than I would do if I had kinky curly or deep wave or, one of the Brazilian or Malaysian textures or whatever. We all know that's just a name. So I actually had no issues with it. Like I said, this hair, let me stop doing that. So I haven't combed this hair since this morning, so this is my first time going ahead and brushing it out. The hair is a lot thicker than processed curl hair or virgin hair. And when I say processed, I mean like the steam curls, the body wave, all of that. So it is a lot thicker than what you're probably used to. So that is something to keep in mind. So see, look at that. All I did was paddle brush. Like I said, I haven't combed this hair since this morning at like 9 o'clock, and it is like 10:30 at night. So that's what it looks like after I just brushed it out. Shedding is very minimal. Of course, I think after I brushed it, I got that, yeah, I probably can't see that one strand of hair. Of course, shedding is natural. Your hair on your head sheds. So when people say, oh, it doesn't shed and blase skippy bam, that's a lie, because all hair sheds, regardless of where it comes from. It's on a weft, so it's going to shed. Now, none of my wefts were cut. I actually was able to use all 3 bundles, and again, I have in 2 22s and 1 24 in the 16-inch closure. So it is installed as a sew-in, and I've had this sew-in since January 20th. So that's 6 weeks and like 2 days, because today is March 5th. Of course, between the initial install and now, I went back and had it tightened. So it's been almost like 2 weeks, and yeah, so it's time for this to come out. As y'all can see, like my hair is starting to grow so much under here. My hair grows really fast, so this closure piece right here it's starting to slide back, and I don't really like that too much. So that's why it needs to come out, and I need to do something else. So what I usually do is, if y'all have that experience, all I'll do is actually take just some edge control and my bad, y'all. I'll take some edge control and just slick it on there. And I get my edges. Now, you can either use a brush, a toothbrush. I just use my fingers because my edges lay down fairly easily. So I don't have, I don't have to use anything else. So that's that one side. I'll do the next. And this is typically what I do at night. And then and tie it down. So I'll just, and y'all know I don't care about y'all seeing my closure. That's what I'm here for, right? So by me putting the edge control, I hate that, and I just pull it down a little bit. Putting the edge control there, it kind of masks that. You can't really tell that it's growing back. When I tie it down, it's not as bad. So that's typically what I do to prolong the wear of my closure. Now I'm gonna give y'all I'm gonna do my nighttime routine. So just take a spray bottle, and this is, like I said, the hair is big. So this is, like I said, air dried, and throughout the day it gets a lot bigger. So I just take the spray bottle, spray my hair down. I want y'all to see how popping these waves finna be. You don't have to drench it, but my spray bottle is broken, so the hair might get drenched. And of course my shirt's gonna get wet. Just want y'all to see the difference. Like I said, this is water only. This is how it looks dry. So y'all can see the difference already. Like I said, it just is so easy to brush through. Like, no matter what, I could put this hair in a ponytail on top of my head and take it down and brush it, and I have no problems. Like, tangling is very minimum. Probably the only place I've really, and then I'm gonna take some Cantu coconut curling cream just to enhance the curls overnight. What was I saying? Shit. So just take a little bit of that and just work it through the hair. Oh, the only time I experience tangling is at the nape, and that's what all hair, straight, curly, body wave, it doesn't matter. If it's long hair, it's going to tangle at the nape. That's what and it's not bad tangling, it's just from rubbing up against like your clothing. Like, I notice it more if you wear like fur, like anything fur, or I had a Columbia jacket on, and I could tell that it was starting to like just snag in the back, and it's not anything that is unmanageable. So I'm just gonna twist this up for you, let y'all see what this look like. Yeah, but this is the hair, and I'm gonna do 6, so I'll do 3 on this side and 3 on the other. And in the morning, what I'll do is when I take it down, I probably just, if I feel like it's a little dull, I'll just take like a little oil in my hand and like probably like a dime size and just rub it through, and really more so on the like towards the ends, not the top, because I don't like the top to look shiny. If y'all are experiencing shine in your with your extensions, and you see like when you have it on throughout the day it starts to look a little more oily, of course the oils on your hands and everyone else's hands when they want to touch it because they think you're a chia pet, yeah, all of that can be eliminated with, did I do this? Yeah, with like, you could take baby powder and put it at the roots, and then like you can either finger comb it through or brush it through or comb it through, and that'll actually reduce the shine of the hair, the oiliness, not the shine, the oiliness of the hair. So that's this side. That's how I'm gonna do this, and I'll do this side here. But as y'all can see, that's really it. The hair is great. I love it. Like I said, this is my first time trying raw hair, and I'm gonna go back, but I'm gonna wear raw hair a lot more often. So I'll definitely be back to show y'all some more hair, of course. This hair, after I take it out, I'm gonna wash it and actually install it on a unit. Just make sure I got enough. Got water everywhere. And again, just look at them waves. This is what it looks like wet. Got water all on my neck. This is what it looks like wet. Well, I might only be able to get 5. Alright, so I have 5 twist in, and I just wear it like this to bed and take my scarf, tie it around so I can kind of set this edge control that's up here and get this to look in, the way it's supposed to, and not like I'm sliding back and that one meme, that one girl, they got her closure way back here and she got her part, like her hairstyle right there. Yeah, I don't want to look like that. So I'm going to tie this down. And y'all don't laugh at my scarf. I've had this scarf for years. So I just tie it down like this. And that's it. That's all I do like for my nighttime routine. So again, if y'all are interested in this hair, I'm definitely going to put the link at the bottom so y'all can go ahead and purchase it.